What's up, guys? This is my other video. Right now I ran over something on my front tire, so now it's majorly flat. So he's gonna take off of my old bike, the mountain bike. He's gonna take the tube out of the back tire because it's more new. Because I ran over a nail with that one. But yeah, the bike is still super shiny, and I love that fact. So soon I'm gonna get a new brake system. It'll still be the same color. I just need a really new brake system because this one does not work well. Neither does that one. Can you see? He's doing what I need to do. So yeah, this is the old bike. No tricks you can do on this one except for wheelies.
I'm gonna keep the frame for that night.
And this one?
Yeah. Because you can put a single like yours and turn it into a regular bicycle. You can take all this stuff off of it.
It needs to be cleaned.
Oh yeah.
Because I used to ride this thing through mud and everything.
This is dirty.
You still see all this mud. Pedals still move though. It's perfectly fine. The kickstand's loose. The kickstand's loose on this one. It needs to be fixed. See? See, Dad? Look at this. But yeah, I went to the monster truck thing last night. It was awesome. They burned the car with a 250 mile an hour beer hauler with Airplane Freddy, who's 84 years old. Which was crazy. It was literally a really long truck from like, I don't know, like the 90s.
No, it was from 1940s.
From the 1940s, and like it wasn't able to turn or anything, but still, it torched the car. It was just mainly a truck. It was really long from the 1940s, and
Beer hauler, old
yeah,
beer hauler.
Yeah, it's an old beer hauler, and it had a jet engine on it. A real jet engine. You got to see it up close. It's like I say from that door. So this little chair right here was the main part, and like the whole part was those two chairs long. It was really long. It wasn't on a trailer or anything. It was an actual truck. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do another video in a couple minutes. It's right now 9:37 here in Port Wentworth. Nice morning time. So I'm gonna do another video, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you.